What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Since the last time you saw me, a lot of shit happened. I think it's been like 2-3 times I went to the range, didn't videotape anything, just putting in some real C time. New additions. I 3D printed this backstrap. This is the large, but just a different grip pattern on it. Went from this extra large to this large. And just to see the comparison between the stock medium one, this is the extra large, and then this is the extra large compared to the large. You know what I'm saying? It does help a lot. You know what I'm saying? It digs into my skin perfectly, helps support, helps mitigate recoil, you know what I'm saying? And pretty much one of the best performing guns I have right now, other than the Torx TX22, which is a monster, you feel me? Anyway, this video mostly is going to be cleaning it up. It's been a minute since I cleaned it, and it really needed the amount of rounds I've been putting through it. Man, the thing is, you never, especially if you're the type of person not to really be telling people what you going on with in life, you can get yourself into a lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? And when I say shit, I mean like hobby-wise. You feel me? Like, I got a 3D printer. I've been teaching myself CAD and shit. For y'all who don't know, CAD is computer automated design, CAD. And that's pretty much how all these CNC machines, all these, like, anything that is machine made gotta go through some type of CAD program. It gotta be made inside the program and then brought out into reality through these machines, like a 3D printer, CNC machine. They got metal 3D printers. It's like a whole world out there that like a normal person don't know about, involving engineering and physics, you know what I'm saying? And I done dove right into that. That's why y'all ain't really seen me on these videos, because I've been really trying to put in this C time, trying to learn this shit. Because look at this. I didn't make this specifically, but I did print it. Whoever made this had to sit down and re-engineer the shit, because it's not just, oh, you have a back strap. You know what I'm saying? You got to get that internal geometry right. You got to get that clearance in correct. You know what I'm saying? These dudes who make these things on these websites and make them available to us, you know what I'm saying? They put real work, because I tried making a couple things. Well, there will be videos on those things I made soon, but I tried to make a couple things and going, like, having the idea, you know what I'm saying? You have the idea, but going inside of the program and actually like making the shit is totally different ball game, man. It's like, I can't explain it. Well, I could explain it, but it's like learning to walk again. You feel me? Yeah, pretty much that's it. Messing around with that CAD shit is like learning to walk again. But never shy away from doing new things. You feel me? Never. I've done, there's like a whole bunch, like I said, there's a whole community out there, and there's a whole bunch of things already made out there. If you just get yourself a 3D printer, learn how to 3D print things, period, you know what I'm saying? go through your 3D printers, calibrations, watch videos on it. You know what I'm saying? Perfect that first, and then after you've had it for a couple months, start making your own shit. Me, I just said, nah, I'm gonna start making my own shit right now. Learn the machine and learn the program simultaneously. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me. That's how I work. If I see one part of the tool, I want to learn the other part of the tool. You know what I'm saying? Learn both sides. Be self-sufficient. Cause yeah, it's cool using somebody else's product, but then it's all about how to make that product better. Because you can actually, if I wanted to, I can go in the program and make modifications to this person's design inside of the program. But low key, I've looked at it, and pretty much whoever made this one particularly, yeah, I mean, I don't really see any room for perfection. It's pretty much perfect. I mean, functionally wise, it does, let's see that bone, it does what it was designed to do. I mean, if it was me, I'd probably put I would make it, these edges on the bottom point out a little bit more. I'll put an angle on it. Yeah, and make that bottom part of this grip point out into the hand more. Might be too aggressive, but it will definitely hold this gun down in your palm. You know what I'm saying? It'll definitely grab the hell out of it. But other than that, dude who made that one, yo, did his motherfucking thing. But get into it, yo. Get a 3D printer. I mean, it don't matter where you live at. If you got on Facebook Marketplace, somebody selling some shit. You feel me? And if you're that type of person, like I bought the first 3D printer I bought broken. You feel me? Inoperational. And I got online with the manufacturer of it. Was in the emails talking back and forth with them. And once they sent me the wire diagram and how the shit and like all the voltages, they fucked up, because that's my shit right there. I just decided pretty much ended communication with them because I know where to get, you know what I'm saying? eBay has everything. You can get extra parts, extra wires, all that stuff. But it's just like where these things are located, who has them. Like I got me some wires that I need for it. It's gonna be a while because they coming from China or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? That's not no big deal. I need a motherboard for it. That came in like a couple days because dude had one selling in Iowa or some shit. I picked it up off of eBay. And then you start to learn what parts are interchangeable within a model line and shit like that. There's a whole bunch of stuff to learn. There's whole things you can learn if you want to learn it. You know what I'm saying? That's just up to you to go do the shit. Cause if you want to go pay somebody to do that, you gonna pay a price. You feel me? I mean, yeah, I paid a price in parts. I pay a price in time of learning it, but those are things that I achieve, you know what I'm saying? Being able to source parts for these things and then know how to fix them and then know how to use them correctly, you know what I'm saying? That looks good to me. But do it, man. It's a great car. There's a whole bunch of things. Once you get a 3D printer, there's a whole bunch of things you start to realize that, damn, you can take into your own hands now. Like, you don't need to go purchase it from Amazon or, you know what I'm saying? There's like a whole bunch of, it pretty much depends on your imagination. Like, you can literally make anything, you know what I'm saying, within the confines of it being made out of plastic. You know what I'm saying? You have different types of plastic: TPU, PLA, PETG, carbon fiber filament, carbon fiber glass filament, whole bunch of shit out there. But when you buy a plastic 3D printer, you're confined to plastic parts, you know what I'm saying? Which you can do a lot with. I've seen something, as soon as you start researching this shit, you see people doing a whole bunch of crazy shit with these things, you know what I'm saying? Like we always do, we just give one drip over here, one drip right there. Let that travel its way down the slide. And then we're going to oil up these contact points. Right there. On the slide. There you go. You don't need a lot. Do not need a lot at all, but yo, the performance I've been getting up this gun past couple range days, phenomenal. You know what I'm saying? Especially after me eating shit, shooting at 20 meters, practicing at 20 meters. I think that's what actually tightened up my game, real talk. Shooting at 20 meters forced me to cut a lot of fat out of my shooting, you know what I'm saying? And that fat resulted in me in making some solid groups at the shorter ranges, 5 meters to 15 meters. Way better shooter now at those distances than I ever was. Or lie. Way more confident, way more precise than I ever was. You feel me? But, and it, you know what I'm saying? I guess it helped with my teaching too, because I be seeing, I'm like, you know, when you're seeing things from the third person and you just know how to replicate those results. Good times. All about getting better. It's all about getting better. Yeah, that's, you know, putting in that little thumb shelf right here was a major key as well, you know what I'm saying? I wish, well, there are things I can do, you know what I'm saying, to extend it and back and forth or however I like, but I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I like exactly where this gun has been modded to, you feel me? And that's what I'm saying. You have your guns, you gotta make them your own. That's why you have Glock and all the off the market products you can get for your Glock. You know what I'm saying? Especially a Glock 19. You got actually so many different avenues you can go down with. I seen this dude at the range with I think he had a PSA body with a OG Glock head on it, Gen 3. And he was making some good groups at 15 meters with it, you know what I'm saying? There's so many off the market avenues you can go through with these modern guns that you can just dial it in to you. Just dialing yourself into the gun, you know what I'm saying? And then there's dialing in the gun to you. Like, you know what I'm saying? This right here, this might be too aggressive for some people. You know what I'm saying? They might touch this and be like, oh, I can't every day carry this. You know what I'm saying? It's too rough on my stomach. Shut the fuck up, pussy. You know what I'm saying? I want this gun to be literally, how I explain it? I want it to be the best performing weapon I can possibly hold in an emergency situation. And this right there is definitely going to give me a solid grip on it. When I hold it down, it's going to stay down. And that's it. You got to experiment with shit. Never be afraid to experiment with shit. You know what I'm saying? Always be trying to figure shit out. As soon as you stop trying to do that, it's screwed for you. You know what I'm saying? You got to figure yourself out. You got to figure these things out. You got to figure out other things in your daily life. You got to figure out your girl. You know what I'm saying? Figure out work. Figure out your car. Figure out your finances. If you stop trying to figure out shit and let other people take control of them facets of life, you're gonna end up getting fucked. You know what I'm saying? Like a good story to learn about is what happened to Wesley Snipes with his accountant. You know what I'm saying? And the unfortunate events that led to him getting incarcerated for tax evasion and all that. You know what I'm saying? When you put things in other people's hands just for the sake of I'm too busy or expediency, sometimes you get fucked. You feel me? But yo, it's good talking to you guys. The SIG is okay. The SIG is all right. You feel me? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Closing words are, stop thinking about it, do it. All things are possible through God. You feel me? Later.